Hi guys, today I'll be discussing with you NUMPY arrays. So NUMPY is a package which provides NUMPY arrays facility. So why do we use NUMPY arrays? Actually it is an substitute for list. You can use NUMPY arrays rather than using list because it is easy to use and as well as manipulate using mathematical operations. So what we have to do is we have to initialize the list. As we can see, using square brackets, I have initialized a list named height as well as weight, and you have to import this particular NUMPY package and use this facility NUMPY facility. So what you have to do is you have to create those two NUMPY arrays out of this two list. So here np underscore height is equal to np dot array, because we have imported NUMPY package as np. So rather than writing NUMPY, we can write np. So np dot array of height, that will create a NUMPY array named np underscore height, on which we can do any kind of mathematical operations, but we can't do it on the list, as we already discussed in the video in which we distinguished between list and arrays. So here I have created two NUMPY arrays out of list, and just like a list, you can print the first element as np underscore height of within the square bracket 0. So let me clear the console, sorry. So I'll just run that particular selected code, and you can see in the console, and I will print out this particular line. So you can see 1.87, which is the first entry of the height list as well as the NUMPY array np underscore height. So how will it be printed? If I print the whole NUMPY array np underscore height, let's check it. Okay, without the commas it's getting printed, whereas in the list, if you print the list, for the time being I'll just use it, height list. So you can see you have got commas over here, but in the NUMPY array we don't have any commas. So here what I'm going to do is to calculate the BMI using the weight as well as the height. So we have got weights as well as the height, and the two NUMPY arrays are created, so we can do any kind of mathematical operations. So here we realized one thing: it is not a NUMPY array, it's a special kind of an array which you can see getting printed out. So for a boolean response, BM is greater than 23. So here we are trying to check the check this categories of people based on the BMI. I'm not sure whether 23 about 23 is obvious or not. I have to refer for it, but here if I check that, so this is a boolean response, I mean this is a condition. If that is satisfied, those particular entries will be displayed. So you can see those entries which are having more than 23. I guess here all the entries are about 23. So let me do one thing, 25. I'm not sure which class does it belong to. So you can see those entries which are more than 25 are getting printed out. So here there is a task for us. So we have got weight underscore kg, that's a list, okay, with the square brackets and rows. So we have to create an NUMPY array out of that particular list. So what we should do, the conversion rate from kilogram to pounds is 1 kilogram equal to 2.2 pounds. So thereby after creating that NUMPY array out from this particular list, weight underscore kg, you just have to multiply it and you can print it out. So here we can see weight underscore kg, that was a list, and after creating the NUMPY array you can do any kind of mathematical operation and you just print it out. So thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.